Hello guys, welcome back. So today I want to show you how to cut a pineapple. So as you see, this is really nice pineapple. It's cooked. If it has to be yellow. If it's green or something, you can leave it like 2 days to cook, and after that you can slice it and eat it. If it's green, it's gonna be it's gonna be not that sugary, let's say, not that tasty. And this is for me. I think this one is the best color to eat it. Okay, so first of all, I have to remove the head like this. Okay, the head is off, and after that you go take this one off. Like this. Smells really good. Okay. Yeah, you remove the back. I think this one is a little bit too cooked, I think. So, okay. So you can remove these heads here, these eyes here, like this one. These one, they're not really, I mean, they're not really tasty to eat, so have to take them down. Okay, so this okay, now it's good. So now you see this inside here, this one is very hard and you cannot eat it. This one is too hard to eat it. So we go with the cut right near this circle here. So I think this one is a little bit too cooked. Okay. A second. The third and the fourth is a small piece. Okay. Yeah. So this one is very hard. You can't eat this one. So after that, you just slice it in small pieces. Like this. Okay. This is actually really good. So this is it, guys. This is how you have to cut a pineapple. This is the right way to cut it. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and support me with my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.